Hello there guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be using CT375 to wet vac the car. So let's get on with it. But before we do the wet vacuuming, I think we need to do a bit of dry vacuuming first in the car. Let's give that job to NVH. Okay, let's go to the car now. Okay, so we are at the car now. NVH is all equipped and ready to go, so let's get going. Okay, so I did the other two seats off camera and he did really well, so that's a job well done from MVH. Right, sorry for the noise disturbance, but let's have a look inside, see how much he picked up. So, yep, that's fine. And yeah, it's pretty clean in there, I'd say. So well done to NVH. Okay, so now that the dry cleaning's done, let's get on to the wet cleaning. So here we are again with the Henry Wash and Revive. Once again, the Fresh Valley scent is so good. And I've missed. Oh gosh, oh well. So I poured out a bit more. Hopefully I don't miss this time. There we go. And as you can see, I've got the original clean water tank, which is good. Now let's just give it a mix. That should do. Now let's take it over to the machine. So what you have to do, you just have to put it in with the cutout at the front. And then on goes the seal to seal the suction. And then we need to put on mesh, like that. And then we need to put on the lid, which I'll do off camera because it's a bit awkward because there's no handle. So now what we need to do, we need to plug in the sorry about that, the solution tube. course you need to put this into here, and then you need to put the hose onto the small fishtail nozzle. And with that you should be ready to go. So here we go. Okay, so the vacuuming is done. Let's have a look inside. Okay, so hopefully you can hear me. It is quite windy, but let's have a look inside. You see let's take out the clean water tank. What do you think of that? It's pretty grim, that. I don't know about you, but I think that's pretty grim. And now it's time for the clean up procedure. Okay, so CT is drying out in the house. Everything's been rinsed out, which is what you should do when you've finished wet vacuuming with your pneumatics. So yeah, and that just about concludes this video. So that's about the end. If you'd like to help me and the pneumatics out, please consider liking or subscribing. Thanks a bunch. Take care, guys. Have a good day. And from me and all the pneumatics, it's goodbye. See you soon.